JAFRA Beauty!
Welcome to JAFRA.
Ready to explore some of JAFRA's best sellers?
Each one of the products in your Discovery Kit represents a different product category.
Let's start with fragrance. Did you know our fragrances are made by the largest fragrance houses in the world? This is Diamonds Blush, a joyful fragrance crafted by renowned perfumer Marian Costero. Its key notes include pink lady apple, peony, and pink amber. Not to mention, it's one of our best-selling fragrances.
Now let's check out skincare, which is famous for its use of royal jelly, a complex mixture of amino acids, proteins, and B-complex vitamins. The Royal Revitalize line is one of our premium skincare collections, and this volcanic mask right here is an absolute star. It contains royal jelly RJX, a proprietary technology aimed to enhance the efficacy and benefits of royal jelly. This exfoliating mask is perfect for all skin types, and when used 2 to 3 times a week, will polish, perfect, and refine the look of skin.
Now let's talk bath and body. A favorite since 1961, our iconic Royal Almond Rich Body Oil combines the legendary skin softening properties of almond oil with vitamin E, antioxidant cherry extract, and our iconic almond blossom scent. This luxurious formula helps lock in moisture, leaving skin feeling soft and looking luminous.
Lastly, you can't forget about our fabulous color products. You've received the JAFRA Beauty Confident Curl Mascara in black. Featuring a unique curved brush, this mascara helps curl, define, and lift every lash. It resists smudging and transfer, yet it washes off easily. A win-win.
Now that you've gotten the chance to discover, it's time to try and share with potential new clients. The easiest products to sell are the ones you use yourself. Meet us in the Business Hub on JAFRA.com for more training, and join JAFRA Beauty Insiders on Facebook for all the latest in training, events, and more. See you soon!